This video demonstrates how I create a USB which contains multi-version of macOS. First thing you want to do is to get into the websites of support Apple. From there, you can check the compatibility on which version you might want to install. It also shows that how can you get the older version of the macOS. And if you want to get the latest version, you can find the download link in here, as I'm gonna do on this video. It would take you to the page that if your Mac is compatible with this Monterey. So I'm gonna download this installation file. Click open. It would open your app store. You don't need to sign in on your iCloud ID. All you need to do is to click on the get button and confirm downloading. So it will take time. Normally depends on how fast your internet is. The download has finished, but right now just leave it. We're not gonna click on the continue button. We're gonna open the disk utility and formatting the USB. I have my USB plugged in and I can find it under the external menu. I'm gonna proceed with creating partition for Monterey installation. I guess it will take around 15 gigabits. It would then warning you that it will erase all the data in the USB. Just proceed with the partition button and wait for a while. Okay, it's complete. Now navigate to the application on Finder and scroll down a little bit. We can see the install macOS Monterey that we have just downloaded before. Then open the terminal. Now I want you to pay attention to this step. We'll type sudo space and drag and drop the create installation media. I will reopen the pad that you can easier to navigate. Under the resource, expanded. Scroll down and drag it to the terminal windows. Space, double dash, volume. Space, and drag the partition from the USB. It would ask for your password. When you type it, it won't appear, but keep in mind that it still works. So after getting the confirmation from you, it will start setting up, install the Monterey OS on your USB. All you need to do is just waiting. Maybe if your Mac has like a power, you need to plus the after because it will take a while, maybe 15 or 30 minutes to complete. Process has finished. Right now I will add an icon Monterey to USB. I would navigate to applications on Finder and get info from install macOS Monterey like this. Then I will do the same with the USB. What I would do is to click on the icon of Monterey and press Command C and Command V to paste it. There you go. Now you got the installation media Monterey on your USB with the icon.